Wow. Fidget spinner trick. Fidget spinners are very popular. They are very popular because look at this one. Look, you can see a shadow in it. When I'm playing games with these, I do not have ADHD. I just play. You know, these are very cool. I'm not playing games. All you do is spin it and shoot with it like this. See, one finger. See, I failed. So you start over and over and over until you get like spin it very fast. See? Look at that. Cool. See shadow? You'll be very amazed about it. Bye. See you again tomorrow. This is my longest vlog ever. So subscribe and like the video. Hello, bye.